Hi, today we are going to study about time. This is a clock. In the clock, there is longhand and shorthand. There is longhand and shorthand. Longhand, which is actually the red arrow here, is to show about the minute. The longhand shows about the minute. And the shorthand, if you can see it, here is there is behind the long arrow, behind the red arrow, there is the blue arrow. So the shorthand shows the hour. Shorthand shows hours. So this clock is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. O'clock. When the long hand points at the 12, when the long hand, the long arrow, the red arrow here, shows number 12, that means o'clock. When the long hand moves, it shows minutes. Here is 5 minutes past 12. We say 12:05. Because why? It's 5 minutes here. From this place to this place, the long hand shows minutes. So 12:05. 12:10. Why? Because this long arrow show 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 12:10. 12:15. 12:20. 12:25. 12:30. 12:35. 12:40. 12:45. 12:50. 12:55. And now, because it's been 55 minutes, so the next 5 minutes should be the next hour. 1 o'clock. Again, this is 1 o'clock. The long hand shows pointing, the long hand is pointing to number 12. That means o'clock. Now let's take a look at your lesson. Check your lesson in the file. Now let's hear the audio.
Unit 6. Tape script 6.1. The time. 1,
It's 9 o'clock.
2,
It's 9:30.
3,
It's 9:45.
4,
It's 10 o'clock.
5,
It's 10:15.
It's 9 o'clock. We use the word it is or it's to show the time. We use the word it is or it's to show the time. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9:30. It's 9:45. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10:15. So what's the time now?
Six,
It's 2 o'clock.
What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. What about now? Number 7. What's the time? It's 2:30. It's 2:30. Is it?
7,
It's 2:30.
What about number 8? What about number 9? How about number 10? Well, you have it in Edmodo. Okay? You have it in Edmodo. Now let's continue the lesson. What time is it, please? This is a question to ask about the time. What time is it, please? What time is it, please? What time is it, please? It's 9 o'clock. This is how to answer it. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. So normally after we got the answer, we say thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's hear the audio.
tape script 6.2.
What time is it, please?
It's 9 o'clock.
Thank you very much.
Tape script 6.2.
What time is it, please?
It's 9 o'clock.
Thank you very much.
Tape script 6.2.
What time is it, please?
It's 9 o'clock.
Thank you very much.
What time is it, please? It's 9 o'clock. Thank you very much. Now let's go to the next lesson. Number 1. What time is it? It's 10:30 or it's 10:15? Yes, it's 10:15. Number 2. What time is it?
Unit 6, Exercise 1.
1. 10:15. 2. 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock or 5 o'clock? Yes, 3 o'clock.
Unit 6, Exercise 1.
1. 10:15. 2. 3 o'clock. 3. 8:30.
8:30 or 9:30? It's 8:30. Why? Because the long hand showing in here, that's actually between 8 and 9 because that's 30 minutes. Okay, and because it's half it's half of the hour, it's 30 minutes. So, and the long hand shows here. So that's not the 9:30, but the correct one is 8:30. So this is analog clock, and analog clock. But we also have digital clock. The digital clock shows only numbers. There are no long hands or short hands, but the digital clock only shows numbers. Now, let's hear the audio. Listen and write the times you hear. Listen and write the times you hear.
Unit 6, Exercise 2.
1.
1:15.
2.
7:30.
3.
3 o'clock.
4.
10:45.
5.
2:30.
Number 1 is 1:15. But in modern days, we don't recognize this dot anymore. I think today's time is more like this. This is today's clock. Okay, it's more like column here. there are 2 dots. Now, what about number 2? What did you hear? Or let's hear it again.
2,
7:30,
2,
7:30,
2,
7:30,
What did you hear? $7.30.
Unit 6, Exercise 3.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 3:30.
Thank you very much.
That's okay.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 3:30.
Thank you very much.
That's okay.
Excuse me, what time is it?
What does it say? Excuse me. What time is it? Excuse me. What time is it?
It's 3:30.
Thank you very much.
That's okay.
It's what? It's 3:30. It's 3:30. It's 3:30. And then A says, thank you very much. And then B says, that's okay. Excuse me, what time is it? It's 3:30. Thank you very much. That's okay. What about this? Well, you have this in Edmodo. You have the Edmodo exercise, but because today is Ramadan, so I suggest you do it after breaking your fasting, or after you eat. Okay, because some people think that they don't have energy, they don't have power to think. So I suggest you, if you want to do it now, it's okay, but it's better to do it after you break your fasting. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.